Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So today we're going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul. I am so behind on my Dollar Tree hauls. Oh my goodness, I have to do one literally like every week now because I have so much stuff to share with you guys that I've picked up over the past couple of months. If you are new to my channel, I do lots of Dollar Tree content. I even have an entire Instagram account called @DollarTreeDolly dedicated to everything I find at Dollar Tree, and it is so much fun. It really became a huge part of my content in like 2020, and I love sharing with you guys on my YouTube channel everything that I find in stores and pick up. And I also do like a lot of shop with me's. So if you guys want to see what I picked up, I'm gonna like have to break these videos up into different hauls because I have so much good stuff. But if you're excited, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you love Dollar Tree and like affordable beauty and finds and shopping, and also turn on the little bell. And let's just get right on into my huge Dollar Tree haul. You remember in my last haul I said do not let me buy any more of these, and what did I do? I bought another one, but I swear this is my last one. I'm officially cut off. It's the Crafter Square permanent vinyl paper that you can use with a Cricut or a Silhouette machine. I have bought about like 4 of these and I still have not used them yet because I have not taken out my Silhouette mini machine in like literally I think like half a year, yet I'm always drawn to the paper, but I have to actually make something with it and use it, or else it's just literally sitting there going to waste. But this one was too pretty to pass up. I'm not even kidding. I saw this and I was like, oh my gosh, it's like this metallic rainbow, so funky. I'm like trying to think, what can I do with this? Maybe like leopard spots, or I don't know, like my name or something. I'm trying to think of something interesting. I have to go on like Etsy and look for inspiration. So cute, you guys. If you have a Silhouette or Cricut, you have to grab this paper because it's super pretty. But honestly, if you have a cutting machine, it is so much fun if you like crafting and making stuff, especially like custom gifts. So I'm telling you guys though, I can't buy any more of these. Like I'm officially done, okay? Hold my word to it. I really like this brand. It's a German beauty tool brand, and they do make amazing beauty tools in Germany for some reason. This is called Titania, and I really like this. It's like a pumice stone. I thought I could keep this in the shower because I don't have any sort of like foot scrub for calluses in the shower. So this is what it looks like. If you know pumice, you know it's kind of like hard and spongy, but this is really nice because it's rough to get off calluses, which, sorry TMI, but I have those. Once I posted a video on my TikTok of like trying one of these types of things, and someone was like, get rid of your calluses. Like, she was so mad, but I was like, I'm testing out a foot product, so yeah. So anyways, me and my sisters always laugh about the lady who commented on my calluses for keeping in the shower, and just using this to get off like the rough dead skin, especially now that we go into summer. We really have to like make those feet go into tip-top shape. I also noticed at Dollar Tree they have this foot peeling mask, the one that like peels off your skin. I did not pick it up because I'm a little scared, but you definitely want to do stuff like that before sandal season. Like, do your foot peels now so you can have your feet ready for summer. I have found tons of other stuff by this brand. I don't know, maybe I might have some of their stuff in this haul, but I found a lot of their beauty tools at Dollar Tree recently, and their stuff's really good. We have brand new organizers, and you guys know, if you've been watching my channel for a while, I have always raved about the Dollar Tree organizers for makeup, and these are actually in like the back section. So this is a 3-compartment organizer, and this is amazing for, you can put like eye pencils in here, you could do lip eye pencils, you could do like the NYX Jumbo pencils or the LA Colors ones. I just think this is so awesome. So you can really have like so many options with this, but really I think makeup pencils come to mind when I looked at this. Right? They had a couple different styles of new organizers, but this one was my favorite that I picked out, and it is acrylic, so it's really nice quality. I just have to kind of find a place for it and figure out what I want to put in here. Something cute I got from the Easter aisle. It's a lip smacker in the scent Fluffy Cotton Candy. I just thought it was something fun. Lip smacker is such an essential, like if you grew up in the 90s or early 2000s, you always had a lip smacker. And these actually have some pretty good ingredients like sesame seed oil. It's not as terrible as some of the other ones I've seen at Dollar Tree. The ingredients actually aren't that bad, and who doesn't love cotton candy? There's like a little llama on it, I think, on the side. So I just thought it was something fun to like throw in my bag. So much good stuff in this haul, you guys. I picked up this new LA Colors blushes. These are the cream gel blushes. I got 2 colors. I think there was 4 in total. So I have the shade Mesmerizing, which is like a light pink, and then I got Hypnotize, which is more like a peach. So here are the 2 shades, and I'm hoping that these are going to be similar to maybe like a Rare Beauty blush, something like that. I have high hopes for these. I have other LA Colors blushes in like the stick form that I really love. So I'm going to definitely test these out in my next Dollar Tree makeup tutorial with you guys here on my channel, and we will see how these are. These I think will either be really good or they're going to like disappear in 5 seconds or be patchy. You never know. But usually LA Colors is pretty decent. Okay, next up we have this really adorable brand called V&A. This is actually like from a museum in the UK, believe it or not. So this is the Sweet Honey Lip Balm, and it says produced under license Wild and Wolf, and it says Victoria and Albert Museum in London. So of course I had to look that up and see like what that was, and it's like an art museum, and the packaging is so adorable. It's like illustrated by an artist, and they had a couple of these, but I really liked the Sweet Honey one. They had like a few different scents that were very interesting. One was like pear. This is like one of the really nicer things I found in the beauty department, like super unique and just really cool. I'll show you guys what the tin looks like as well. I thought this was so nice, and it has really good ingredients in it. So yeah, this is called Garden Wallpaper, and it's by the artist J.H. Dearle from the 1800s. Really cool. So it's just this little tin, which is so cute. Hopefully you can see. Look how pretty that is. And then let's look at the inside. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like something I had when I was a kid, but I can't place my finger on it. This scent is so nostalgic to me right now, but I can't place my finger on what I remember it from. Probably some sort of makeup item I had when I was little. Oh my gosh, this scent is absolutely amazing. It's not at all what I expected. If I think of what this reminds me of when I was younger, I will get back to you guys. But if you find these, pick these up. This is such an amazing little find. These little adorable artist lip balms. Definitely one of my favorite things in the haul. I told you guys I had more stuff from that brand Titania, and I did pick up their Soft Touch Sapphire Nail File. Okay, sapphire nail files are so underrated. I have a couple from when I worked at Tweezerman, and it's literally the only nail file I will use. I do not use those regular emery boards. I'm all about the sapphire. Glass I like, but it gives me like the heebie-jeebies, like kind of makes my skin crawl when I use those. These are so much better. It's like the best type of file in my opinion, and they're just so nice, so easy to use, and they really give your nail a nice shape without being too rough. And I really like the soft touch handle, so I thought this was a steal to grab this for $1.25. I mean, this is really good stuff right here. So I do my nails very often. I actually did them today, so I can't wait to put this into my nail collection and see how I like it. So such a great find. I spotted these and I was like, oh my gosh, yes please. These butterfly clip 4-packs. These were actually in, there was like this little section at Dollar Tree that was like spring stuff and like stocking stuffers for, I guess, Easter baskets for kids. And these were over there, and I snatched up 2 of the same colors because I wanted to be able to have the same color scheme for the hairstyle that I want to do. I saw someone had like braids, and then she put the butterfly clips in the braids, so I was like, I need to emulate that because I really think that's so pretty. And these have a gold sparkle, and then these are like a magenta purple. I just thought they were so cute, so I was really excited when I saw these. I used to wear butterfly clips all the time, like legitimately wore them because I grew up in the early 2000s, and I'm so glad they came back. Like, some people might not like these because they might think it's a little more childish, but I think it's fun. I like cute things like this, and it really reminds me of like being in elementary school because I used to literally do like the rows, like where you would put one in each row. Did you guys do that too? It was the thing, and I'm so happy that they got these in at Dollar Tree. They had like 2 other color schemes. I really love finding Maybelline lip liners at Dollar Tree. This is the shade Toast, and I'm hoping that this color is going to be decent. I would open it, but I don't like to open stuff until I use it in a tutorial so you guys can like see what the packaging looks like on that day. But this is in the shade Toast, and it looks like a light pink. Sometimes shades like this don't always show up on my lips. I like something a little bit deeper like what I'm wearing today, but we will also test this out in my next makeup tutorial, so stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, I hope you guys can find these. I have some Easter items. This first one is the sign I got for our front door, and I absolutely love this sign. It is so nice. It says "Every bunny welcome," and I just love that phrase. And I think the bunnies are so cute because they're gingham, and then they also are burlap. I just like how they're alternating, and I thought this sign was just absolutely precious. And of course I can reuse it again next year. Here is what the width looks like. It's just like a little piece of like faux, I don't even know what you would call it, but how cute is that? They have so many good signs this year. I actually have another one hanging up that I'm going to share with you guys, but this is just the perfect little front door sign. I almost missed these. They were in like the bottom of my tote bag. I picked up from my favorite Ioni collection. I love all of them that they come out with, but this one was, I forget the name, maybe like Fleur de Lis or like Romance or something. This is the cutest packaging ever. It has like a little cherubim, however you want to say it, on the packaging and on the back. Like, I don't want to even get rid of this packaging because it's so pretty. And this is Cupid's Bow Natural Doll Light. So they're just kind of something very soft, and do I even need to tell you guys how much I just adore Ioni? I love their lashes. They're so comfortable, so lightweight, easy to wear. So every time I see a style that I may not have tried before, I will pick it up. And also I just feel like at this point I'm kind of like collecting the packaging because they're all really fun. It's like a collector's item. So here it is. I was lucky enough to be able to find the display because I know a lot of people don't find their displays. And I was like, you know, I'm just gonna grab this one. I can always cut them in half too and make like 4 different sets. Okay, so I don't think I showed this to you guys yet. I don't think it was my last haul. I got another Easter sign that I absolutely loved. This one says Bunny Trail Farms, and I love that it had like this very vintagey look to it. And I just love stuff like this. Like, I feel like this is something you would have saw maybe in like the 70s or the 80s or something. And it says Egg Hunts Daily, 25 cents a basket. So I wonder if like the team maybe was inspired by things that were more vintage. And I like the shape of it too. So I just have this hanging up in, there's like a wall right before you go into our kitchen area. And I just really like it. I think it's so adorable. So there is actually a new gua sha tool at Dollar Tree, and I love gua shaing my face. I think it really does sculpt and help get rid of like this area right here. You do have to be consistent with it though. It's like the one thing you have to do it literally twice a day, or else you won't see the results that you're looking for. But it's also really great for if you have a headache or any sort of like sinus pressure, and also just keeping everything lifted. So it has a lot of different benefits. And this one is really pretty. It's pink, and I posted this on my Instagram. And someone's like, oh, it's plastic. And I was like, oh, shoot. Like, I thought it was a stone because I like how much thicker this one is than the original green one, which is made out of a stone. Plus side is that it's not going to break as easily as a stone one would. So, I mean, I'm definitely still going to use this. I like to have a variety of gua sha tools. Yeah, so it is like a plastic, but it has like a pretty marble print. I mean, yeah, I'll definitely still use this one. It feels really nice. I like that it is a thicker material. I don't love a thinner gua sha. It needs to have a little bit of thickness to it to really feel like you're getting that like oomph. It's just like, I don't know, something about it that I like. I hope you guys can find this. It's really cute, and it has a lot of great benefits. I mean, if I'm gonna recommend a gua sha, I would say get a stone one. That's like the traditional way of the gua sha, but this one's good like in a pinch, and it's by Dollar Tree's new brand called Be Pure. And if you have not tried gua shaing yet, you really have to start. It is so good for the skin. I got this really cute puffy headband. If you don't know, the hair section at Dollar Tree is like one of my favorite aisles. I always have the best hair accessories, so I thought this was so cute. This is very on trend, these like bigger puffier headbands, and I just think it's so adorable. You know, maybe I'll put it on now. It's not really gonna match my hair right now, but I have my hair like back in a clip right now. But it says headache free wear. It's not like one of those hard headbands that are going to give you a headache. So I like that because sometimes headbands kind of hurt your head if you wear them for a long time. I usually have to take mine on after like a couple of hours, but I just loved the color of this and that it was like super poofy. Something I picked up that I can actually already give you a review on because I've used it. It's this Timber Musk Power Stick. Is the aluminum-free deodorant. So Power Stick is a brand that you will often find at Dollar Tree. Its own brand, I guess. It's not like a Dollar Tree brand. So I was like, let me try this. I liked the scent. It is more of like a masculine scent, but it has a little bit of sweetness to it. It's actually a really, really nice scent. That's why I picked it out. So I've been wearing this over the past few days. I wore it to the gym, and let me tell you guys, it did not last at all. I like stunk afterwards, even just wearing it like in the morning, not even going to the gym. So I was really disappointed because I like the scent so much. It's just really hard with the natural deodorants because they really don't keep you from like not stinking. So it was kind of unfortunate, but if you don't have that issue, then I would say pick it up because the scent on this is so nice. Like, it's very unisex. I already tested and opened, and I saved the packaging so I could show you guys. It's the new B Color Heated Eyelash Comb, and I was so curious about this. I also filmed a little TikTok on it, which I'm gonna post on Instagram soon, and I'll probably post it here as well. It's compact for quick and easy touch-ups, easy to comb through lashes, and it says you don't have to, like, you know, use a traditional curler. So I found that this didn't really work. Here's what it looks like, and it does take about 2 minutes for it to really warm up, and it's not like dangerous. It just feels like warm to the touch when you turn it on. I don't have it on right now, and it's like this little tiny comb, and I don't know, I wish it did more, honestly. You're better off having the traditional Dollar Tree lash curler and putting the blow dryer to it for like a couple seconds and then put it on your hand and make sure it's just warm to the touch and then curling. I feel like that's way more effective than this. Like, I like the concept of this, but it doesn't really do anything, honestly. It was kind of sad because when I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, it's so cool. Like, really something fun. For Gizzy, our cat, this is a baby toothbrush, and it's just like a little silicone toothbrush that you could wear on your finger. So we brush his teeth with coconut oil, and I figure something like this would be soft. Right now we're using this little tiny mini toothbrush with bristles, but I'm like, you know what, maybe we should try this and see how he does with it. So even if you have like a baby, obviously this would be good for that too, but if you want to brush your cat's teeth, this is a great suggestion. I found these bracelets and I just thought they were so darn cute. This was more in like the kids section, but I'm gonna wear these. So it's a 2-pack. This one reminds me of the like power bracelets that came out when we were younger. It says love. Do you guys remember those? They had like different powers or something to them, like the beads. I loved those. So the bottom is really cute. It's like this adjustable braided bracelet. Kind of looks like a friendship bracelet, or it looks like you would make it yourself, but ain't nobody got time for that. So I just bought it pre-made. So let me put these on because this one's my favorite, the braided one, but they look really pretty together. So if you see these, I found mine up at the register and I just thought they were so cute. So as I said before, my obsession with the Dollar Tree hair clips and hair aisle knows no end. So I picked up these really cute fuzzy clips, and I got 2 of the same color, and these reminded me so much of like Cher and Clueless. I don't know, that's just like the whole vibe they gave me, and I'm thinking these would be really cute with like my hair parted down the middle, and I have these just like putting my hair back, and I think it's just going to be so much fun to wear these. Very like 90s inspired. You can tell there's a whole throwback theme going on here, and I'm living for it. I really thought these were so cute. Alright guys, so that is everything for today. I don't want to do too much because I don't want to like overwhelm you guys with so much stuff, so I'll just break these up into shorter hauls, and I think it's just easier to kind of like digest that way. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was so much fun, and I had like so many amazing things to share with you guys today. So comment down below and let me know what was your favorite thing I found, and did you find any of the same stuff or anything fun recently at Dollar Tree. And that is it. To give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It helps out my channel so much. Thumbs up for more Dollar Tree hauls. Love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!